So look at example 2. It says line M is tangent to circle T at B, and line N is tangent to circle T at C. So line M, this line is tangent here. Line N, this line is tangent here. And they want to know the value of X. So because line M is tangent, B is the point of tangency, so TB is a radius. And again, I know T is the center because it's called circle T. So keep that in mind that when they name a circle, they're naming the center. So circle T, center is T. B is the point of tangency. Points of tangency always lie on the edge of the circle, so TB has to be a radius. Point B, point of tangency, radius and tangent are right angles to one another. This must be a right angle. That is a right angle also. It's not inside my quadrilateral though, so I'm just going to leave that out. Point C, same deal. C is the point of tangency. T is the center, so TC is a radius. The point of tangency and the radius or the tangent and the radius are right angles to one another, so that's a right angle. And just like that, I've got 3 of the 4 angles because this central angle here is 135. My task is to find the measure of angle X. Does anybody recall the number of degrees in any quadrilateral? How many degrees in a quadrilateral? Anybody remember that? Anybody remember the formula to find the number of degrees in any polygon whatsoever? Involves a times 180. N minus
number of sides.
N's the number of sides.
Minus 2.
N minus 2, perfect. Right. Number of sides minus 2 times 180 is the number of degrees in any polygon. So if we're dealing with a quadrilateral has 4 sides. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 is 360. This N minus 2 just represents how many triangles get made if you just start drawing the diagonals in from one corner. So if I were to draw a diagonal in here, I'd make 2 triangles. Each triangle is 180 degrees. So there's 360 degrees total in this quadrilateral ABTC. And 3 of the angles are 90, 135, and 90. X is the 4th angle. So X plus 90 plus 135 plus 90 has to add up to the total number of degrees in the quadrilateral, 360. We add those 3 numbers up. 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 135 is 315. So X plus 315 equals 360. To solve for X, you just move the 315 to the other side, subtract, change the sign. 360 minus 315 is 45 degrees. So again, this goes back to the whole tangents are perpendicular to radii property to allow us to find 2 angles. The 3rd angle is given, and we already knew a formula to find how many degrees altogether in the quadrilateral. So kind of using stuff we learned a while back with stuff we just learned today, a little bit of algebra. So again, as we continue on in this book, I keep saying it all the time, you must remember everything you've ever learned. Seems like a big task, but again, the more you use it, the more it just kind of becomes commonplace and second nature to you guys. So just kind of challenge yourself to keep doing things to the level that you don't just know it right now, but you're going to know it several weeks from now, several months from now, several years from now, as we continue on learning things.